welcome everyone. We are at MAHATech 2023 and we are at the stall of New India Electromech Industries from Mumbai, and we are having with us Mr. Khozema Motiwala, who is the owner of this business. And while passing by, I just saw one tag which is Make in India, which made me stay here and tell you a story about what they are manufacturing in India and how these small units in India are contributing to a campaign of Make in India and contributing to bring business and keeping the money in India. So please give us insights about what is your product is all about and how it's helping the manufacturers.
My products are basically used in all electrical industries, maintenance spares, motors, cranes, rotating transferring units, very big market. I would like to say that whatever we have done and we have achieved is just a stepping stone. With Make in India, we can definitely go miles ahead and we can pull our country to the top of the world. We can become the leaders. We just have to concentrate and give a chance to our Indian manufacturers to be able to supply and sell. And even we want to, I would request all the buyers to give us a chance to show them that we can give them a quality which is at par with the international market.
So talking about your products, can you just give us an insight about which industry you have catered to till now, who has been your potential clients, and just give us more insights about your company.
We have been catering to almost all major industries in India because our spares are maintenance spares. Nobody can run a DC motor or an AC motor without our spares. No cranes can work without our equipments. And we are now starting to market and develop products against German products, because here this is a slipring which is German slipring, and we would like to, if we get an opportunity, we would like to develop the same product at less than 40% of the German cost. That is what we can offer for our country, and that is my way of contributing for my country.
What else you would like to suggest to the Indian manufacturers, to the Indian Make in India supporters, that how they can support you, how they can help you with this, to reach this innovation to a global and wider perspective?
I believe that we just need an opening and an opportunity. Just give us a chance to prove ourselves. We are nowhere behind any country in the world. I can tell you, not from my manufacturing product, but I have seen that we can definitely compete anybody, and we being India, a very price sensitive country, we can give you a better product at a better price if we are given the correct chance and opportunity. We really sincerely thank our PM, Prime Minister Modi ji, that he has taken an initiative to start this Make in India. Now, I would also suggest that it should not only be Make in India, it should be Made in India also.
Definitely, sir. We would like to carry forward your thinking process, and we would like to showcase these thoughts on to global manufacturers, and definitely they will be visiting your innovation very soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for